Hi, this is the Carabao in the Philippines. Oh, he is in the mud because this Carabao feel cold or fresh when this Carabao is in the mud. But you know, he or she looks dirty, but that mud will soon disappear. So mom used to carry that pail, that one, so that there is water here. Ma, ma. Hmm? And the chicken also like to go near to the Carabao. This Carabao is the one who will carry the cart with coconuts. So not easy work. Very strong Carabao. That's why he must be fresh by lying down in that mud. Bye bye, Carabao.